ML Sharma, who's been one of the main petitioners which has led to the cancellation of most of the coal blocks allocated since 1993. My first question to you, sir, the Supreme Court has mostly cancelled all coal blocks allocated since 1993. Which are the ones which have been saved the acts of the Supreme Court?
देखिए केवल 4 कोल ब्लॉक जो कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के थे, जिसमें कोई भी प्राइवेट वेंचर नहीं है और न ही किसी दूसरी कंपनियों का जिसमें 1% भी शेयर है। केवल उन 4 कोल ब्लॉकों को छोड़ा है। एक कोल ब्लॉक उसमें ऑलरेडी बंद पड़ा हुआ है। तो देखा जाए तो 3 कोल ब्लॉक कंपनियों को जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के उनको छोड़ दिया गया है। बाकी सारे कंपनियों के कोल ब्लॉक के लाइसेंस कैंसिल कर दिए गए 93 के बाद के, और जो 42 कोल ब्लॉक माइनिंग कर रहे हैं आज के टाइम में, वो सभी प्राइवेट और जॉइंट वेंचर के साथ में है, उनको भी कैंसिल कर दिया गया है। उनको CIL इमीडिएटली टेक ओवर कर लेगी। विद इन द 6 मंथ वो कोल ब्लॉक भी ऑक्शन किए जाएंगे और बाकी जो कोल ब्लॉक हैं उनको भी ऑक्शन किया जाएगा। अब क्वेश्चन रह गया पेनल्टी का, कितनी पेनल्टी इनके ऊपर लगाई जाए। कोर्ट का व्यू था पिछली बार 295 10 टाइम पेनल्टी लगाई जाए। ऑक्शन दोबारा किस तरह से किया जाए, क्या इनके अगेंस्ट में एक्शन लिया जाए। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्पष्ट कहा है दिस इज द विजडम ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। अब ये देखना है बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट इसके ऊपर क्या एक्शन लेती है।
Sir, ये जो 4 coal blocks that we are talking about which have got saved the acts of the Supreme Court also includes 2 blocks, Moher and Moher Amlori, which belongs to an UMPP which is run by Reliance Power. But there are allegations that from these coal mines, coal has been diverted. Why have these 2 got saved?
One thing very clear, I tell you, some of the people entered as a petitioner in this petition, in my petition. They wanted to protect several companies from the cancellation of the allotment and their mining. One of them, their name is already there in the judgment. If you read, he requested the court that this reliance in UMPP should be spared because they are giving the electricity to the public. I am surprised with the judgment part itself also last time 26th August, but court have not said anything about it today. I am going to move an application to make it further clarify and to take an action that whatever we coal has been taken out and has been sold out other than has not been used in the production and has sold out in the market, amount and price of that coal should be recovered coupled with the criminal action against them, either it is a Reliance or anyone else.
But sir, aren't you concerned about the fact that if once all these coal mines are now cancelled, it will lead to auction, that for people like you and me, it will increase our electricity tariff?
Not at all. All coal block electricity charges are not increasing because of the coal block price. Electricity prices are increasing because of the politician and the power producer nexus. Cost of production is not more than 70 paisa per unit. Either coal is used there or not used over there, because the maximum coal power production companies are using the imported coal over there. And I tell you, one of the company, that is Jindal, his entire debt equity more than 1,000 crore is already free because of the selling of the coal and consumption of the same coal in their power plant. So if coal will go in auction, 3,000 rupees per metric ton price amount will come in the coffin of the state government, but cost of the production of the electricity will never increase at all. It will remain the same.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.